Priya Bhatt. Welcome back to the Cooking Hub. Today I have a golden milk chia pudding recipe for you guys. It's my favorite breakfast option. It's very healthy and I love having this for breakfast. So I thought let me share this recipe with you guys. So let's get started. So to make the golden milk chia pudding, I'm going to be using some chia seeds. So first let me start by introducing you to chia seeds. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on the planet. They are loaded with nutrients that can have important benefits for your body and brain. Here are 11 health benefits of chia seeds supported by science. First, chia seeds deliver a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is related to the mint. Chia seeds were an important food for the Aztecs and Mayans back in the day. They prized them for their ability to provide sustainable energy. In fact, chia is the ancient Mayan word for strength. Despite their ancient history as a dietary staple, chia seeds became recognized as a modern-day superfood only recently. In the past few years, they have exploded in popularity and are now consumed by health-conscious people all over the world. Don't be fooled by the size. These tiny seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. A 1 ounce 28 grams serving of chia seeds contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, 9 grams of healthy fat, 18% of calcium, 30% of manganese, 30% magnesium, 27% phosphorus. They also contain a decent amount of zinc, vitamin B3, potassium, vitamin B1 and vitamin B2. This is particularly impressive considering that this is just a single ounce equaling 28 grams or about 2 tablespoons. This small amount supplies only 137 calories and 1 gram of digestible carbohydrate. So this is really good for your health. Despite their tiny size, you're going to love having this chia seed pudding. You can use chia seed in several ways. You can use it in your smoothies, you can use it with oats, you can make chia seed pudding out of it. And chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Also, almost all the carbs in them are fiber. Chia seeds are high in quality protein. Chia seeds also, they are high in fiber content, and in chia seeds it may help you also to lose weight. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, as well as chia seeds can also lower your risk of heart disease. So many things chia seeds help us in. They are high in important bone nutrients as well. Chia seeds may reduce blood sugar levels. Chia seeds may reduce chronic inflammation. Last but not the least, chia seeds are easy to incorporate into your diet. So today I bring to you a chia seed pudding that is called golden milk chia pudding. In it I'm going to be using a special ingredient, and that is called turmeric powder. So also turmeric powder is very good for health. Turmeric contains bioactive compound with powerful medicinal properties, as well as curcumin is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that is found inside turmeric. Turmeric dramatically increases the antioxidant capacity of the body, as well as curcumin boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor linked to improve brain function and a lower risk of brain diseases. Curcumin should lower your risk of heart disease. So you see now how turmeric is very good for health. So yes, let's start making this lovely golden milk chia pudding. To prepare the golden milk chia pudding, I'm using 1/3 cup of almond milk over here. This is homemade almond milk. If you wish, you can use any milk of your choice, but preferably I prefer not to use any dairy milk. I prefer using almond milk, cashew milk, and here I have 1 tablespoon of chia seeds I'm adding inside here. Now here I'm just using 1 tablespoon. I think that's going to be perfectly enough. Next in, I'm using 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just that's going to be perfectly enough. Now for a natural sweetener, you can use maple syrup or you can use honey. So as I don't have maple syrup, I'm going to be using 1/2 tablespoon of honey. Do not use any refined sugar over here. There you go. 1/2 tablespoon of honey for the natural sweetener. Now that I've added the honey, I'm going to mix everything very well. The chia seeds, the almond milk. Now if you wish, you can prepare this at night and have this for your breakfast. It will just take you 5 to 10 minutes to prepare this at night, and then just close it, keep it in the refrigerator overnight, and early in the morning you can have a healthy breakfast. So this is one of my favorite breakfast recipes. This helps so much for the weight loss management as well. So now I've mixed this well. This is ready to go in the refrigerator for around 3 hours. So after 3 hours, I want to show you guys how this lovely golden milk chia pudding looks like. So it has been 3 hours since the golden milk chia pudding has been resting in the refrigerator. This is done and ready. Let me show you the consistency. So it has become nice and has gotten a pudding like texture. It's completely ready to be served. So yes, this lovely healthy pudding is ready. I'm going to serve it. Hereby I have some flax seeds. So I'm going to give it a little final garnishing with some flax seeds, and as well I have some pista flakes. So also I'm going to decorate this with some pista flakes. There we go. This recipe is completely ready. You guys do try this lovely golden milk chia pudding recipe. It's going to be super delicious, super healthy, and it's easy to make because everyone has milk, turmeric, but make sure to use almond milk or cashew milk or any other dairy free milk. So that's it, you guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.